Welcome to RankUpturn. RankUpturn is a reliable, automated, and sustainable digital infrastructure for all types of education institutes to scale up the digital transformation journey. It provides all the necessary tools and resources to automate the classroom and curriculum activities, accumulate the critical data, stay closely connected with the students, and to understand and fill the learning needs of students statistically in real time.
In this video, let us see how to get started with the teacher account. The primary aim of the teacher account is to understand the classroom of student needs collectively and individually, prepare and optimize the content delivery based on strengths and weaknesses, automate the content delivery response collections and validation, fill the learning gap in real time, reuse the resources, reduce the workload and free up more time, centrally monitoring the entire performance of classroom, maximize the communication and stay connected to the classroom at always, collaborate with peers to increase their own performance, provide the exceptional teaching and learning experience at all times, make all communication more secure, reliable and policy compliances. So I have already logged into a teacher account. Here you can able to see the teacher name is Terry Answer. And also here you can able to see in the main dashboard you can able to view the classrooms which has been assigned for this particular teacher. So I'm just going to click on the classroom 6th grade B section. So now let us see how to schedule the learning activity to the classroom of students here. So here in the dashboard you can able to see the curriculum module, right? I'm just going to click on the curriculum module. And here you can able to see the curriculum which has been assigned for this particular classroom for mathematics subject. And for the first learning objective integers and addition you can able to see connected learning resources, and also you can able to see the template which is already available. And if you want to schedule this template as an activity for this classroom in the sense you can able to schedule it. Now let us see how to schedule the template as an activity for this particular classroom. So it's a quiz type of activity which has been created by the admin Carl Herman on November 29. So I'm just going to schedule this activity. So it's for 6th grade B section for all the students. I'm just going with today's date. I'm going to schedule for today. And here timing is an optional one. So if you want some particular activity need to be conducted within 1 hour in the sense, you can go with the timing option. Otherwise, it's an optional one. So for publishing the activity here, you have two options. So if you want this activity need to be published to the students immediately in the sense, you can go with publish now option. And also here you have publish later option. So if you're going with publish later in the sense, you need to give the later on date, on which date you want this particular activity need to be published to the student. For example, if I'm going to if I want this activity need to be published to the student on December 26 or on January in the sense, I can able to mention the publish later option and I can able to mention that particular date. So automatically whether the teacher is available or not, this activity will be scheduled on the particular date to the student screen. So now I'm just going to schedule this activity for now and I'm just going to schedule it. So the activity is scheduled successfully. So once you have scheduled the activity in the sense, you can able to view that activity in the feed column. See here, you can able to see the activity which you have scheduled for the classroom now. You can able to view that. And also by clicking on that activity, you can able to see what kind of questions is that. And I'm just going back to the curriculum. So we have seen how to schedule the template as an activity, right? Now I'm just going to create an activity. So before that, let us see what is activity. The activity or learning activity is a resource which can be anything, lesson or homework or assignment or assessment, etc. that helps the students to understand the subject matter and help the teachers to measure the students' performance based on the subject matter. By creating and scheduling the learning activity, teachers can ensure the content delivery, response collections and validation to understand the learning gap. So now I'm just going to create an activity for simplify the numerical expression here. So once you click on the activity in this sense, that will be automatically taking you to the task maker. So here you can able to see for which grade and the subject will be automatically mentioned. And here under the types you have majorly you have 3 types of activities you can able to create it. One is like automation and the one is like semi-automation and the non-automation type. So let us see like one by one like what it is. So let us see like what is automation. Any learning activity if scheduled ensure the content delivery, response collections and validation by itself is called as automation. So under automation we have like different types like contest, quiz, mock test, challenge, formative assessment, examination, experiment, homework, assignment. So by clicking on any one of the automation type I can able to show you. So what kind of response collection you have for automation type. See here for automation type we have like choose the right answer, choose the multiple answer, choose the right answer with images, choose the multiple answer with images, true or false, yes or no. So these are the options which we have for automation type. And now let us see like what is semi-automation. A learning activity which consists of both automation and non-automation element is called as semi-automation here. So under semi-automation we have like quiz, mock test, challenge, formative assessment, examination, experiment, homework, assignment. So these are all the types which we have under semi-automation type. So I'm just going to click on any one of the types so that I can able to show you like what kind of response collection you have for semi-automation. See here you have like voice response, choose the right answer and attach work, choose the right answer with text, choose the multiple answer, choose the right answer with images, choose the multiple answer with images, text with attachment, short answer, essay, attach the work, true or false, yes or no. So these are all the options which we have for semi-automation type. So now let us see like what is non-automation. Any learning activity if scheduled require the manual validation or interpretation for the classroom responses is called as non-automation. So under non-automation type we have like survey, event, pool, feedback, others. So by clicking on any one of the non-automation type I can able to show you like what kind of response collection you have for non-automation. So we have like choose the right option with images, choose the right option with text, true or false, yes or no, rating with text. So these are all the response collections which we have for non-automation type. So now I'm just going to create an activity for automation type. It's kind of a challenge. So now I'm just going to add few questions here. For this question I'm just going with response collection like yes or no type. So in the below you can choose like which one is the correct answer, and also here you can able to add the credit score. Like for this particular question like what is the credit score you want to give. It's kind of 1 mark question or 2 mark question. Based on that you can able to give the credit score here. I'm just going with 1 mark. And also for each and every wrong answer if you want to add any negative credit in the sense you can able to add the negative credit score here. So if you want you can able to add the negative credit, otherwise you can able to hide the negative credit here. And for this particular activity challenge type you can able to add maximum up to 200 questions at a time. So now I'm just going to add one more question here. You need to choose like which one is the correct answer, and you can go with the next question. And I'm choosing which one is the correct answer, and I'm just going to add few more questions. And the last question. Here you can able to choose, and here in the right hand side you can able to view like how this activity will be viewed in the student screen. You can able to view that here. So you can click on the previous questions and you can able to view it. And also if you want to save this activity in a draft also you can able to save it. And if you're going to schedule it in the sense you can click on create and schedule. I'm just going with create and schedule. So we have scheduled the activity, right? The same like you can able to give the particular date here. And timing is an optional one. So based on the publish option you can able to give with publish now or later. So I'm just going with publish now. I'm just scheduling the activity. So your activity schedule successfully shows here. So now here you can able to see under the task maker, you can able to see the activity which has been scheduled for this particular classroom can be viewed. And also from inside the task maker itself, as a teacher you can able to create a template, and also you can able to schedule the template to the classroom. And also from here you can able to create the activity. So I'm just moving on to the feed module. So here you can able to see the activity which has been scheduled for this particular classroom. So see here. So the activity which we have created now, no, it's showing here. And here in the right hand side, you can able to view the overall classroom statistics here. Once the student has started responding, in the sense, you can able to view the percentage based on the classroom statistics here. So I have already logged into student account. So I'm just going to respond for this particular activity in the student account, so that we can able to see like how it reflects in the teacher account. So I'm just going to the student account here, and the student name is like James Charles. So I'm just refreshing the page so that the student can able to view the activity. See here, you can able to view the activity which has been scheduled for this particular classroom. It's due on 7 hours, it shows here, and it's like yet to be attended. So I'm just going to attend the activity here. I'm just going to start it. Are you sure you want to submit the answers? Yes. Your response has been submitted successfully. So now I'm just moving on to the main dashboard. So for one activity you have responded, right? Here it shows like completed on November 30th. The student has taken like 21 second time taken, and result is yet to be announced. And I'm just going to attend the one more activity here. Are you sure you want to submit the answers? Yes. So the response has been submitted successfully. So see here, you can able to see the student has taken 21 seconds for this particular activity. And for this activity, the student has taken like 16 seconds. So I have already logged into one more student account, so that we can able to see like how it reflects in the teacher account. I'm just going to refresh the page. The student name is like John William. I'm just refreshing the page. And also I'm just going to attend the activity which has been scheduled. So for example, I'm just going to give few right answers as well as wrong answers here. And for one more activity. So I have completed attending this activity. So it shows like completed on November 30th. The student has taken like 17 seconds for this particular activity, and for this activity the student has taken 19 seconds. So result is yet to be announced, it shows like. Now I'm just moving back to the teacher account. So you can just refresh the page, and here you can able to see the response of the student, like James Charles response you can able to view the response here. So you can able to click on the next questions, and you can able to view like for how many questions he has given the correct answer, and the wrong answers can be viewed here. And also you can able to choose the student name. Based on that you can able to see. And also as a teacher you can able to view like what is the overall classroom statistics for this particular activity. see, out of like 21 students, 2 student has been responded. So once all the student in this classroom has been responded, in the sense, as a teacher you can able to view the overall classroom statistics, like what is the engagement percentage of this particular classroom for this activity, and who has scored the highest score, what is the lowest score, what is the average score, and what is the average percentage in this particular classroom, and who has taken the fastest timing and the slowest timing, and who has scored the first mark. Everything can be viewed by the teacher immediately. Once all the student has been responded, in the sense, the teacher can able to view the overall classroom statistics here under the feed column. And here you can able to see, as a teacher you can able to view the overall classroom progress here. And also here you have like an interesting part, which is like instant activity. So instant activity is an additional tool to convert your ideas and materials to the learning activity of your curriculum. In general, you can create and share any information instantly to your classroom in addition to the learning activity and materials connected to your curriculum. In the sense, you can go with instant activity here. And here you have 3 options, which is like publish later, and offline activity, right? So if any activity has been published, in the sense, you can able to view that published activity here. For scheduling, you have an option like publish later, right? So you can able to view the activity which has been created for publish later. You can able to view that kind of activities here. And here you have an option like offline activity. As a teacher, you will be conducting some examination in the traditional classroom, right? For that, if you want to upload the offline activity score here, in the sense, you have that option here. Once you have uploaded the offline score, in the sense, that kind of activities will be shown here. Like for offline activity score, you can able to view the offline activity details under offline activity here. So now let us move on to the classroom. Inside the classroom, let me show you like how to upload the offline score. I'm just going to click on upload offline score. So the teacher has conducted an examination for 100 marks, and it's dated on 7th of November, and timing is an optional one. If you want to mention the timing, in the sense, you can able to mention it here. So for which particular learning objective topic, you can able to go with that particular topic. I'm just going with name, integers and fraction part of decimal number. And also here you can able to see the student name list and their username, and the register number will be shown. And also, if a student is absent for that particular examination, in the sense, here in the attended column, you can able to click on this near to that is, and you can able to give like no. So which means like this student has not attended this particular examination. Once you have given no, in the sense, automatically you can able to view the observed credit, and as well as the attached file will be gone to disable mode. So now I'm just going to add the score for this particular offline activity. I have added the score here. And also, as a teacher, if you have any file attachment for this particular examination you have conducted, if you have any answer sheet, in the sense, you can able to attach the answer sheet in an attached file here. And I'm just going to upload this offline score. So once you have uploaded the score, in the sense, if you want to make any changes, in the sense, within 7 days you can able to make the changes, and up to maximum up to 3 times only you can able to make the changes here. So I'm just going to upload it. So here you can able to see the credit score for examination for the 6th grade maths curriculum of your classroom 6th grade B section has been uploaded successfully. You can refer the detail in the link against the curriculum objective under the progress tab with RankUpturn. And I'm just closing it. So that here you can able to see below the activity. So you can able to see the offline activity statistics also can be viewed by the teacher here. So like who has scored the highest score, what is the low score, and who has scored the what is the average score in this particular classroom, and how many student has been responded, and what is the engagement percentage of the classroom can be viewed by the teacher here. And I'm just moving back to the classroom page. So here you can able to see in this progress column what is the progress of each and every student will be shown here. So you can able to click on that particular progress and you can able to check. So for each and every learning objective, what is the progress the student has scored, you can able to view that, the percentage. And also you can click on that particular percentage and you can able to view like what kind of activity has been assigned. And also you can able to view like the progress, how it has been calculated. And now here we have like few options. Let me explain you like what all this. So we have like daily report here. So daily report is an information sent by the subject teacher to the parents to briefly describe like what has been covered or what are the activities happened for a subject in a particular day. So teacher can able to send the daily report and found the daily report history from the message center of the message dashboard here. They can able to add the subject and they can able to mention the message. So if we want to add any attachment in this sense also, they can able to add the attachment here. So the maximum size of the attachment should be like 100 MB. And also as a teacher, you can able to send the daily report every day before 7 PM. So here you have like announcement bar. So as a teacher, if you want to send any announcement to this particular classroom lessons, you can able to add the title and the description and you can able to send the announcement here. And if you want to add any attachment also, you can able to add the attachment. The maximum size of the attachment should be like 100 MB. And for announcement here, you have like sticky option. So as a teacher, if you're going to send any important announcement in the sense, you can able to use this sticky so that if you're giving some particular days like 2 days or 3 days in the sense, this particular announcement will be tagged in the user message center till December 3rd. So based on that particular days, this announcement will be tagged in the students notification center. So here you have the option like enable parents login. As a teacher, if you want to enable the parents login in the sense, you can go with this option. You can able to enable all the parents login access here for this particular classroom. So by default, the parents login will be like in a disabled mode. And here we have like a consent form. The students below the age of 18 are not allowed to use the internet. For that reason, teachers will be sending this content in a mail to each and every parent and getting their consent for using the RankUpturn as an online platform for their education. So here you have an option like reset password. So for example, if a teacher wants to reset a password for a single student, any particular one student in the sense, here you can able to see as a teacher that as a classroom admin, this teacher can able to view the password of a student, and also the teacher can able to change the single student password by clicking on the change option here. But if a teacher want to reset the password of all the students in the classroom at a time in the sense, she can go with reset password so that automatically all the students' password will be resetted. And here if you want to download this file in access file format in the sense, you can able to download this. And here you have like live classroom. As a teacher, if you want to conduct any live classroom with the students in the sense, you can able to go with like video or audio option. Once you have connected in the sense, automatically the students will be connected with this particular call and they will be joining this class. Okay, so now let us move on to the progress column, where here you can able to see as a teacher can able to view like each and every student's progress, like who has scored the highest score, and if any student has scored the average score in the sense, the teacher can able to easily reschedule an activity for that particular student. For example, you can able to click on this particular student John William. He has scored a 58%, which is actually an average score. The teacher can able to click on that percentage and the teacher can able to view on which particular learning objective topic the student is weak and where the student is strong. See here you can able to see on integer addition and subtraction, the student has scored like 75%. And in simplify the numerical expression, the student has scored only 40%. So comparatively, he has scored average percentage and also like below average percentage on simplify the numerical expression. So that if a teacher want, in the sense, the teacher can able to reschedule the activity for only for this particular student alone. Also, the teacher can able to reschedule the activity, and also for an overall classroom, if a teacher want to reschedule the activity, in the sense, the teacher can able to reschedule the activity here. For measuring the learning gap of the entire classroom of students, here you can able to click on the topics. So here you can able to see the list of curriculum objectives, desired subjects, and check the progress of classrooms again, each and every curriculum objectives. So by referring the progress score, you can able to clearly understand like how well the teacher's teaching has been reached to the classroom of students here. See here, you can able to view the overall classroom progress on this particular topic. So now let us move on to the task maker. So as I have already told you, you can able to create an activity and also you can able to create a template here, right? So here inside the activity, here you have an interesting part which is like live contest under the automation type. So live contest is the integral part of the task maker with RankUpturn. It is a simple automation tool that allows teachers to create instant live contests and measure the learning gap instantly. Live contests can be of anything between a single topic or entire topic of your entire curriculum here. So if a teacher want to conduct the live contest for this particular classroom, in this sense, the teacher can able to easily conduct the live contest here. So now let us move on to the library. As a teacher, if you want to create any file for the particular subject, like for 6th grade mathematics, if you want to create any folders and if you want to use any learning resources here, in the sense, you can able to use it, and also you can able to create the folder and you can able to upload the file. So if you are going to upload the file, in the sense, the maximum size of the file should be like 100 MB. So here you can able to see maximum up to 1 GB also you can able to add the files. So here you can able to see the uploaded files and the folder. Now let us move on to the messages. As a teacher, you can able to chat with all the teachers in this particular institution individually as well as in a group. And also you are taking class for 9th grade A section, 6th grade A section and 6th grade B section. You can able to chat with all the students in this particular classroom individually as well as in a group also. And here we have like message center. So in the main classroom, inside the classroom, we have seen the announcement bar as well as the daily report, right? From the messages module also, as a teacher, you can able to send the announcement to this particular classroom and also you can able to send the daily report. Now let us move on to the calendar. This is an academic calendar which has been created from the admin side. As a teacher, if you want to create any calendar entry, in the sense, you can able to create a calendar entry only in a private. So the calendar entry which you are going to create it, that can be viewed only by yourself. You can able to add the subject and notes. It can able to maintain the personal as well as the professional calendar entry in a single calendar. Now let us move on to the notes. As a teacher, if you want to create any personal note, in the sense, you can able to create the personal note here, so which will be visible only to you. So you can able to add a notes as well as you can able to delete the notes. So now we came end of the teacher account. This is how a teacher can optimize the content delivery, maximize the connectivity, automation, response collection, validation, and maintaining the classroom statistical records to clearly understand and fill the student need in learning real time. Thanks for watching. Get started with a free subscription today. RankUpturn LMS is an innovative one-stop solution. Provides all the necessary tools and channels for your institution to systematically amplify the personalized learning, automate the classroom and curriculum activities, and provides the proper channels for all stakeholders to statistically understand and fill the learning needs in real time. Happy teaching and learning.